How to check and monitor daily data usage in Android phone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check and monitor daily data usage in Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open your Play Store and download this application that is called Check Internet Data Usage. Once done, you're going to simply click on open this application. Then you're going to click on give permission and you'll be taken over to usage data access. Here, you're going to click on check data usage at the second, and then you're going to toggle this button on of allow usage tracking. So once you do toggle this button on, you're going to go back and you should see something like this. So you're going to click on set data plan over here, and then you'll be taken over to setting the data plan interface. And over here, you're going to type in the plan validity. So you're going to simply type in the minimum value. For example, I'm going to type in 10. And then you're going to type in the data limit. That is the minimum value. And then type in 10 or whatever you want. And then you're going to type in the starting date and click on set data plan. Click on yes. And you can see that it says your plan has been set. And right here at the top, we also have Wi-Fi. So if you want to see your data consumed and your today's usage, you'll be able to see them over here. Over here, we also have all of your plans and the speed of your internet. So that is how you can check and monitor daily data usage in Android phone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.